Hi guys, let's play Panghulu. So there has been a new update. We have this check-in that I already have open, and I got this suit. Oh no, I bet. Yeah, there's a bunch of new things like this. Happy 5 birthday, 5 reward. Happy birthday, Lulu. Happy birthday. That's so cute. And this princess, I want this commeted cat. Looks so cute. That was cute. Now let's go to the B-Day Cafe or Birthday Cafe. Let's go. It's Lulu's birthday. Let's get some cupcakes. Lulu's cake. The most special thing to a birthday party. Let's bring a pancake and this for my pet, Chicky. Chicky is very valuable to me. Chicky is important. And this looks yum yum. I'm gonna get this or this. This. Select. I got it! So what can I be? Strawberry. I love fruits. I love the strawberry fruit. I love strawberries. And it's balloons! I love balloons. More balloons. More balloons. More balloons. More balloons. Yan! And her cake is in the middle. For Chicky, coming in her birthday. That's her reward. Look! Chicky dancing! Yum! I would love to eat this. Now, Chicky. Dance. Look at Chicky. Look at his beautiful eyes. And you'll see. Look! I got a stamp. Collect 3 stamps for a chance to win. I don't know how to say that. That was cute! Well, that's it. Now, Chicky has a twin. They're both yellow. I think this is for me. Me and Chicky. Yellow. I love yellow. Bye-bye! Please read the description to see my test. I have failed my test. I have a 28/50. That is a fail. And that's not for me. Bye-bye!